Let's bring some more words to life and really get your whare mahara cranking. Hikoi, walk. Hikoi, hikoi. Oma, run. O, ma, oma. Moi, sleep. Mo, moi. Oho, awake. O, ho, oho.
Go into one of the bedrooms in your whare mahara, or you can choose a different room if you like. It's totally up to you. Straight away you see a piece of furniture having a moi. Sleep. Hear it snoring?
You shake it and it's oho, awake. But it gets such a fright, it starts to oma, run around the room. Oi, slow down. It finally calms down and slows to a hikoi, walk.
Let's action replay that. A piece of furniture is having a moi. You shake it so it's oho. It starts to oma around the room, then calms down to a slow hikoi.
Nice one! Practice these kupu for the next 2 days.